Priyanka Chopra, now a global icon, has completed over 2 decades in the entertainment industry. But her success wasn't overnight. At the Brit Summit 2025 in Abu Dhabi, she opened up about the tough years that shaped her journey. Speaking candidly, Priyanka said she's had to pivot so many times, recalling a phase when she did 6 films in a year, and all 6 timed. Roles she dreamed of went to others, leaving her to survive, adapt, and keep moving. She admitted that when she started out, saying no wasn't even an option. She grabbed every opportunity, traveled constantly, and sacrificed important family moments, all because turning down work felt like a luxury she couldn't afford. But today things have changed. Priyanka said she finally gets to make choices on her own terms. Now every yes comes with intention, considering her family, her peace, and the long term impact on her career. Reflecting on her Hollywood journey, she shared how tough it was to break into an industry filled with stereotypes. Early roles were often boxed into ethnicity, and it took years of persistence before she landed a part where she could just be an American character. Priyanka's resilience has paid off. After her recent appearance in the action comedy Heads of State alongside Idris Elba and John Cena, she is gearing up for upcoming projects including The Bluff, Judgment Day, and S.S. Rajamouli's Varanasi. From fighting for roles to calling her own shots, Priyanka Chopra's journey continues to inspire, proving once again that reinvention, courage, and intention can rewrite any narrative.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is. I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as a more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.